All right, for this problem, we're going to use the percent proportion to figure out the problem what percent of 50 is 34. All right, so imagine you took 50 shots in basketball and you made 34. I want to know what percent is that. All right, so come over here and grab a pen or a marker if you don't have one yet. All right, so the question is what percent, right? So we're trying to figure out the percent. So the percent is the unknown. And remember, the percent is always out of 100. So I'm going to put the variable n here for unknown, okay? Now, what percent of 50 is 34, okay? Well, the 50 is the total, okay, or the whole. So the 50 goes down here. And then finally, okay, 34 is the part, right? So that will go here. So that's how we set up the percent proportion, okay? Next thing we have to do is we have to write the equation, okay? Remember, when you have a proportion, the cross products are equal. So I know that 50 times n is going to be 50n. So 50 times a number is going to equal, okay, 34 times 100, which is 3,400. All right. And finally, I'm going to divide both sides by 50. So I'm going to solve a one-step equation. And I know that 3,400 divided by 50 is 68. So our answer is going to be 68%. And there it is.